What's happening, you guys, and welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Zach once again, and today we are going to be going over building homes.
Yeah, exactly. So we're going to be doing a little bit of trial civil engineering. We're going to be designing structures that can see if we can withstand a few cataclysmic events, but we got to have a structure first. So go ahead and take your dominoes. I'm going to use my dominoes, and you want to build our strongest shape, right? So whatever structure you like, I'm going to go ahead and build what I think will work out very, very well. I'm going to build a similar skyscraper. So I'm going to go with something you might see if you go out to New York City or downtown Orlando. We can see here as our structure is getting finished up, we're going to put it through 3 tests. Our first test, probably the easiest, is just weight bearing. We have to make sure our structures can support themselves, stand upright, and support that weight. So go ahead and put that heavy weight, this is 500 grams, somewhere on top of your structure, wherever you can fit it. On the inside, on top, perfect. And you can see we're not collapsing. That's very, very important. We don't want a house of cards that can not even support any weight of people inside of it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same test on mine. There we go. As we can see, a nice solid foundation for our structure. So now, as we know, there are major cataclysmic events that can happen. The first one we're gonna test, very, very common here, of course, in Florida, is earthquakes.
Okay.
Because we are right on top of a fault line, he said sarcastically. You can see here our Earth is moving here in the great mountainous range of Florida. We have here our earthquake table. You can see we're both holding up pretty strong, maybe a little bit of wiggle on top, but so far, so good. Let's see if we can
Crank it up a notch. Let's go.
Let's go ahead. Uh-oh, we definitely have some wiggle.
Separation.
Okay. As you can see, our earthquake was a very dangerous. Let's go ahead, quickly maybe rebuild and test for our final one, our hurricane. Quick building montage as we go ahead and quickly restack. We do have our own major events. Almost every year, it feels like a hurricane is coming through. So we have to see how our buildings can hold up to those strong gusts of wind. And to do that, I have, of course, our handy dandy hair dryer.
Okay.
So do you think you're gonna stand up to the task?
Stand up to hurricane hair dryer? I guess we'll find out.
We'll find out. All right, we'll start on low for a category like 1 or 2 hurricane and see how that goes.
Hurricane hair dryer coming on shore. Category 1 force winds, and we had a little bit of movement of top. Some shingles are moving.
All righty. All right, let's go ahead and up the storm a little bit. Looks like it's going back into the Gulf, picking up that hot temperature and swinging back around.
A lot more movement, yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we have building codes here in Florida, right?
Exactly correct. Yeah, neither of ours were up to codes. Looks like we're going to have to go back to school to be better civil engineers, or you can come to the Science Center and learn all about it all month long during Engineering Month.
And we have a couple special dates to watch out for, right?
Yes, exactly. Our MakeFest is happening March 14th and 15th, so you're going to want to come by. You can do this exact experiment, be better engineers than us in Dr. Dare's lab.
Can't wait to see you guys all here throughout the month of March.